In this lesson we are going to focus on our perception of relationships. These relationships are the perception of angles and proportions. For this exercise, place a chair in the corner of a room. Set up your viewfinder like so. Adjust the viewfinder to a comfortable position where you can see the full of the chair. Adjust the wires on it so that your line of vision is perpendicular to the viewfinder. This viewfinder will be used for checking angles with the angle finder and checking proportions with your pencil. Try and fit the whole of the chair into the viewfinder. To begin our drawing, draw a rectangle on your sheet the exact same size as the viewfinder. This can be done by tracing round a template like this one and joining the corners. We must apply a ground to this just like we have done in previous lessons. Make sure you use a 5B or a 6B pencil to do so, holding it in the overhand grip. Then, using circular strokes, smudge this into your page, leaving a gentle tone background. Insert crosshairs in this rectangle, the exact same dimensions as those on the picture plane. To begin your drawing, start measuring angles using the angle finder. Hold the angle finder at arm's length away from you. The angles that you measure should be in relation to the crosshairs on the viewfinder, the edge of the viewfinder, or even the relationships between different angles within the chair. When using the angle finder, it may help to close one of your eyes. When you have the angle measured, trace this angle onto your sheet. When you have the correct angle down, you may extend it on by ghosting the lines in. Next, you must measure the proportions. Use the top of the chair as your unit 1, then step this unit down the length of the back leg of the chair. Here we have measured 2 1/4. That is, the top of the chair is 2 1/4 times the length of the back leg. We can then step this out on our sheet and mark it in. Continue this for much of the drawing, relating angles to angles, angles to edges, proportions to angles. After a while, when you have the main angles and proportions measured, you can then add in more of the fine detail. For the purpose of this demonstration, this video is now playing back in fast mode. Using your skills and the perception of lines, edges, and negative spaces, complete the drawing. Draw in these lines and edges exactly as you see them, and not how you imagine they may be. This drawing should take you about 35 to 45 minutes. Take your time and do as neatly as possible. For the main part of this drawing, use a 2B pencil. When you have the main body of the chair drawn, begin inserting some of the details of the background, such as the corner of the room, the skirting, or the shadow on the ground.